Good morning, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we have here, courtesy of Diggro.com, we have one of their latest and popular smartwatch, the Diggro DI06. So we have here the Diggro DI06, regular price $159, but with a coupon code you can get the Diggro DI06 for less than $100. So we're going to have a preview unboxing of the Diggro DI06. So I'm pretty sure you are excited to check this one. If you want to know more about this smartwatch, check out their website, Diggro.com. They also have an official product page at AliExpress.com. Okay, so let's have the unboxing of the Diggro DI06 smartwatch. Okay, again, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, let's check out the content. So we have here the smartwatch. Okay, and let's check out the contents. Okay. Let's check. Okay, so we have here the user manual. Plain and simple, but we have here the details and the instructions on how to set up your smartwatch. Let's check it out. So we have here menu instructions and operation guide. What else? Calendar, file, browser, music, health, pedometer, camera, gallery, weather. Okay, so it's also available in other languages. We also have Chinese here, Spanish or Portuguese. Okay, so we have the user manual, the smartwatch. And what do we have here? Okay, a charging cradle and a charging cable. Nice. So the contents are the smartwatch, the user manual, and the charging cradle from Diggro.com. So this is your Diggro DI06 smartwatch. So let's check out the design. I'm pretty sure you are familiar with the look of this one. So it looks like the Z Blaze Store, the very popular Z Blaze Store. Okay, so they almost have the same design. We also have a camera here and physical buttons. We have the speaker, and at the back we have the heart rate sensor. You see it? I guess this is for the SIM card. And we have the connector here for the charging cradle. Okay, it looks nice, looks beautiful. The TPU strap is okay with steel buckle here. Okay, simple design, very sporty. Okay, so let's check out the smartwatch. Please make full charge before you use the smartwatch. Let's remove the cover here. Okay, so we have here the smartwatch. Okay, based on the description, let's read. Diggro DI06 smartwatch is an excellent healthy life partner, communication partner. It is not only a watch but also a phone. So it is a smartwatch phone with a camera and a built-in GPS. After inserting the SIM card, you can call directly or reject call through the watch. So this is a standalone smartwatch with 2.0 MP camera. You can easily keep the good memories of each exciting moment with high quality pictures and videos. Okay, based on the description, you can also take pictures, not just pictures but also videos. It has a built-in GPS, keep you right direction even without your phone. You will never miss your way. Built on Android 5.1 operating system. Okay, running the Android 5.1 operating system, the smartwatch is powered by the MTK6580 1.0 GHz quad-core processor with a 16 gigabytes of internal storage. Wow, that is huge. And 1 gigabyte of RAM. Okay, it supports NANO-SIM card here. Okay, connectivity includes the Wi-Fi, GPS, and a Bluetooth 4.0. So let's check it out. Okay, are you ready to check out the Diggro DI06 Smartwatch? Let's open it. Turning it on, long press. Okay, you feel the vibration. So this is your Diggro DI06. A nice speaker, very loud. Let's check. Starting apps. Okay, English, confirm. Okay, just leave it. Scan to download mobile assistant app. Waiting. Okay. It is loading. Okay, so we got the smartwatch. It's already loaded. Nice display, animated time or watch face. You have the contacts, phone, messaging, settings, remote capture, browser. Okay, let's focus. Calendar, clock, the camera, gallery, music, remote control, sound recorder, file manager. Okay, I think this is anti-loss. Also have the health and weather, voice search. You have the Play Store and the maps. Okay, so music, direct access. Wow, it has a simple UI but with a lot of features here. Okay, that's for the settings, the display. What else? Okay, let's check. Okay, let's change the watch face. So far it has a beautiful watch face. Nice, very clear, very sharp display. Let's check. Amazing screen here. I love the display here. 1.39 AMOLED display with 400 by 400 pixel resolution. Wow, that is very high. I don't wonder why this one has very good graphics. Okay, the video doesn't really give justice to the display of the smartwatch. It is amazing display. Let's check the other watch faces here. Okay, you can also add, just connect it on the network through Wi-Fi and you can add additional watch faces. Let's go back to that animated watch face. Nice. So far so good with the Diggro DI06 Smartwatch. very affordable, less than $100, and it is running the Android 5.1 operating system. If you want to get one, check it out on AliExpress or visit the Diggro.com website. It's a legit site. They provide technical support, refund, fast processing time, and shipment of your product. Unlike other smartwatch that they don't have a website where you can ask for help just in case your smartwatch is faulty, they have their own website where they can provide a technical support for your smartwatch, for the smartwatch that you bought from their website, Diggro.com. Okay, next video we will provide you the support app as well as other features of the Diggro DI06 Smartwatch. Again, if you have any questions regarding this wearable, the smartwatch, please drop a comment below or follow us on our YouTube channel, Facebook, or visit our website, smartwatchspecifications.com. Again, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Goodbye.